Hello and welcome to the fifth Sparrow No More. I am Kristen and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video to shop and look at all the cool things at the Knoxville Vintage Market Days. We're going to walk through some of the booths, most of the booths. I was a content creator for Knoxville Vintage Market Days, so I was able to go in the evening before opening day and get some good video for y'all of all of the booths and the fun vignettes and everything that is available at Knoxville Vintage Market Days. Now, the next Knoxville Vintage Market Days is going to be September the 21st through the 24th, and you do not want to miss it. Trust me on this one. I'm going to play a little bit of music and maybe make a few comments about things that I found that were so very cool. Like all of these different little cubbies that I'm seeing in the different booths. I love a good cubby drawer and to tuck away things or little shelves, things like that. See that one up at the top? Fantastic. So, yeah, lots of cubby drawers and lots of little shelves. And this table was pretty with all of its different tea service sets. And so this booth, excuse me, I wanted to share with you because it is like my daughter Emery exploded into a booth. Like all of these cool vintage clothes. I mean, look at that jacket. The entire thing was beaded. Look at these handles. So the handles in the middle are tortoise shell. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Walking around here, that big furry orange coat in the back. Not too sure about that. That was a little bit out there for me. But they had a pink one, they had a rainbow one, and that orange one. Big, huge fur coats. So, like I said, this is the evening before, so they're still setting up. This is the Ocell's Blue Owl Vintage. Now, this rack shelving unit said Houston Rodeo to me. Like all of the turquoise jewelry, the hats, all of that. Totally. This is CC Bella, and they have more stuff inside the trailer, and it's where I got my favorite shirt from the Knoxville Vintage Market Days. It has raccoons and a convertible on it, and it says, "Get in, scavengers, we're going thrifting." And I thought it was adorable. This is a beautiful plant booth with a bunch of Rusty Crusty yard art. If I could have a place to put that humongous butterfly, I would have gotten it because it was really, really cool. But I don't think it would fit on my little area in the back. Now, this family that owns this booth, both the husband and wife are school teachers, and they work this booth, and they have several other vendor shows that they do to save up money for retirement. And they made some really pretty wooden things, and I really enjoyed looking through it. This striped wood that you see is called tiger wood. And it was really, really cool. So, like I said, I love looking at vignettes and getting ideas for either home or for a booth, and just seeing all the different ways that these booth owners set everything up. Now I'm going to let you listen to some music. We're going to look around, and I'll pop back in if I need to say something. I thought this was a really fun and cute idea, even for at home for jewelry organization. She had these metal funnels that she had put bracelets on, and I thought it was just brilliant. This sweet lady is the Funky Peach, and she hand makes all of these purses and bags, and they were super adorable. Many different prints. These quilted butterflies were so pretty. I thought that was a really, really cute and smart idea for those. And for this next booth, I really like the way that she had things set up in this booth, and all the green was so pretty as well. So cute way to display everything so it can be seen and it's not overwhelming or cluttered. This booth had some brilliant ideas on how to display smalls and create vignettes with just junk. And just put everything together so very well. And I liked walking through there and seeing all the different little bits and pieces that she had, like these Bibles and the crock, or things like that. And then this back wall, I'm gonna let you just look and see. Like I said, these are ideas for vignettes in the booth or in your home. I think, like I said, she did a really good job. Good job of displaying and showing off everything. This was another favorite booth of mine. Once again, the displays were amazing, and I like how she tucked vintage flashcards throughout her displays, and everything was displayed easily, so you could, grab it and look at it and put it back without the fear of toppling anything over or messing up anything. And I thought that she did a really good job with filling up the little cubbies and the shelves that she had. This is the paper doll booth, and she makes everything with old book pages. These fireworks, old book pages, and everything that you see pretty much is old book pages. It really was just amazing, and what patience and artistry goes into that is really, really cool. All right, my ladies, everything in this booth is decoupage, and it was beautiful and really well done decoupage, and truly an art form, I tell you. And we'll see my favorite piece here in a second with this cute little pig with her bow on. Isn't that adorable? But really, really cool. And I believe that it was called Napkin. And this is, we don't want the pets to feel left out, so these are all handmade pet goods. There are some bandanas, some leashes and collars, and other pet things. This sweet booth, all these little handmade mice and quilted pieces. I could not get over how cute they were, and if I had to have a mouse in my house, that would be the mouse for me. And just take a look at this craftsmanship. It's just beautiful. In this booth, I thought it was really smart. The vendor had put all the measurements on each piece of furniture, so she wouldn't need to answer questions or get out a measuring tape for her customers, that was there and available for them as well. Okay, these cubbies are making my heart go pitter-pat. I would love to have cubbies like this to create little vignettes in each one of them. I think that is so much fun. And look at these old doctor and science vignette. I thought that was really neat as well. This booth, I noticed that the second day that I was there, a lot of the ladies were wearing these shirts, and look at this quilted coat. It is so pretty. Much too big for me, but they were really pretty. I hope that you enjoyed this walk through the Knoxville Vintage Market Days. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite thing was and what you would have purchased at the Knoxville Vintage Market Days. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these shopping adventures or thrifting trips, DIYs, or crafting. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.